In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Logitech MX Master 3S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and customize the MX Master 3S. This is going to work regardless of the version or the model of the mouse that you are using. You can connect it to any device, so a MacBook, a standard Windows PC, Windows laptop, or whatever you have, and you will be able to customize all of the settings like the pointer speed, sensitivity, DPI, all of the actions and such. I'm going to assume that you already know how to connect, but if you still need to connect a mouse, you will have two main ways. Either the USB receiver, just plug it into any of the available USB ports on your specific device, and then toggle it to USB mode at the back, or alternatively enable Bluetooth and put it into pairing mode by pressing the respective button, and once again flip the switch. Once the mouse has been connected, you will be able to customize all of its settings, see the battery levels and such, using the Logi Options Plus software. So you can find this software available on the Logitech website. Simply look for this page, so the Logitech support downloads, so click here, or look for it on Google. You will be able to search for Logi Options Plus and download the software. This is where you will be able to customize every single setting about the Master 3S. Just choose the Download Now option for your specific operating system, and once you have it downloaded, open it up. As soon as you open it up, it should detect the MX Master 3S as long as it is properly connected to your device. You will see the battery's levels displayed at the bottom left. You will see all of the actions currently assigned to each button, and of course you can customize them. You can make presets for specific programs, so choose the plus sign to select specific applications where this device will use this preset and such, or you can change it for every single application here. You will be able to customize the scroll wheel, the additional buttons, the left click, the right click, and such. Just make sure that the app is running on the background and your profile will be saved. I hope I was able to help you on how to customize Logitech MX Master 3S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.